Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make taco pie. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and gather a 9-inch pie dish, skillet, mixing bowls, and utensils. Brown 1 lb ground beef with taco seasoning, then layer in a crust with cheese, tomatoes, and beans. Bake until cheese melts and crust is golden. Serve with sour cream and hot sauce. I'll share tips to make it fast and flavorful. Start by assembling ingredients: 1 lb ground beef or turkey, 1 packet taco seasoning, 1 cup salsa, and 2 cups shredded cheese. Use a store-bought or homemade crust, or make a simple cornbread base for a hearty option. Canned beans, diced tomatoes, and sliced jalapenos add texture and flavor. Have sour cream and chopped cilantro ready for topping to finish the pie with brightness. Measure spices carefully and taste as you go to balance heat and salt. Brown the meat, stir in seasoning and salsa, then remove from heat. Press crust into dish, layer meat, beans, and cheese, then repeat layers. Top with remaining cheese and bake at 375 degrees F for 20 to 25 minutes until bubbly. Cool 10 minutes before slicing and serve with toppings like sour cream, avocado, and cilantro. Cover edges if browning too fast and rotate halfway for even cooking. Use a sharp serrated knife to get clean slices.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.